What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to do a quick video to acknowledge and recognize the 2025 AWS Community Heroes. So just a little information about the Heroes program. The AWS Heroes program recognizes and highlights a vibrant worldwide group of AWS experts whose enthusiasm for knowledge sharing has a real impact within the community. The Heroes categories of specialization include the following: community, containers, data, dev tools, ML, security, and serverless. So here is this is the community's AWS Heroes community website. So you can come here and search for heroes in certain categories, the ones that I just mentioned. So community, containers, data, on and on. You can also locate the heroes by geographic location, and then also by how long they have been a community hero. There are also some additional filterable options that if they are, a hero for 2025 and they may be a conference speaker or meetup organizer, you can come in here and sort and filter by that criteria. Also, just out of not wanting to badger or butcher anyone's name, I'm not going to attempt to pronounce all of the names on here. Rather, I'll just leave a link in the description of this video to the new community heroes, and obviously you can click the link and read up more on each community hero. But like I said, just wanted to give thanks to the community heroes and recognize their efforts in the AWS community. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.